Hello class, welcome back. Last class we have discussed about the vitamins or fats, proteins, carbohydrates. So today we will discuss about the vitamins. So vitamins are the organic substances which we consume, to get energy. Vitamins are also organic components of food that are required in very small amounts for a variety of metabolic purposes. Plants synthesize them, but animals require them in their diet. Vitamin D is synthesized in the human body, is then activated in the skin by the sun's ultraviolet rays. So animal vitamins in plants, they make their own vitamins, they synthesize their own food, but in plants or in animals we consume the plants which they make. We are a consumer, so we consume the plants which they have stored and made. So we take that and consume. That is why we call it as organic substances, organic components which we required in order to run the metabolic purposes. So have vitamins like A, B, C, D, E, F. So these are the vitamins that you'll find are necessary in our daily life. Every vitamins is different, has a different purposes or has a different functions. So vitamin D is synthesized in our own body. Remember that it is synthesized in our own body, but it is activated when the ultraviolet rays or when the sun rays hit on our body. It activates like a switch mode, like switch on mode. Carbohydrates and fats provide more energy, whereas proteins needed for tissue growth and repair. Fat provides more energy than carbohydrates and proteins. Fats are generally stored in the living body. So fats, we discuss about the solid and liquid. Liquid you find it in the oil, and in solid you find in the fats state. So here carbohydrates and fats produce energy. Proteins are used for tissue growth and repair. So fats produce more energy compared to the carbohydrates, proteins and all. So fats are generally stored in our living body. It is stored in our stomach, upper part of the layer. So here vitamins, minerals and water do not yield energy, but are essential for the chemical purposes of utilizing energy and for synthesis of various necessary metabolites such as enzymes and hormones. Vitamins, minerals and water, they does not give much energy, but they are responsible or they are essential in our daily life because it gives us or it is responsible for producing hormones or producing the enzymes, like working of the or digesting of the food is because of an enzyme. So we need that energy or that vitamins and proteins. Minerals are also incorporated into the structure of the tissue and in soluble form play an important role in maintaining the acid-base equilibrium. So here minerals though they do not have much of a use, but comparing to the fats and energy, but they have a specific functions or specific duty, that is to maintain the acid-base equilibrium in our body or in living organisms. So if we have lots of acid or base, it will be harmful to our body. So we need an equilibrium, means equal, same, in a same level, neutral. It has to be a neutral. Thus, one should consume these nutritional elements in the right proportion to get a balanced diet. So these proteins, vitamins or fats, carbohydrates should be consumed properly according to the diet. One should not neglect, or one should not say that I don't want to eat this or I don't want to have this. You should eat according to your diet. Thus we can say the process by which living things obtain raw material to sustain life is called or is nutrition. So we can say in other words, like living organisms, the process by which living organisms consume raw materials to gain energy is called nutrition. Nutrient is a substance which a living organisms obtain from its surrounding and utilizes it as a source of of energy or for biosynthesis of tissues and organs. Now we will discuss about the different modes of nutrition. So nutrient is what? Is a substance which is required by the living organisms to continue our life or to continue our daily activities in our living body. So we will discuss about the modes of nutrition. You know, the modes of nutrition has two types: autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotroph means those who produce their own self, like animals, and heterotrophs means like hetero means many, right? So they consume their food from the plants or from different types of the animals, like tiger eat deer, okay, so deer eat grass, snake eat eagle, or eagle eat snake. So these are the modes of nutrition you will find. So let us talk about the autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, or trop means nutrition, so self nutrition. Thus autotrophic means self nutrition. In autotrophic nutrition, the organism prepares its own food from inorganic materials. It uses only raw materials for the synthesis of food. Green plants prepare their own food from carbon dioxide, CO2 and water, H2O, in the presence of sunlight in chloroplast. The process is called photosynthesis. Green plants contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which is capable of trapping and fixing solar energy. So how does this work? What is the thing that makes the plant make their own food? So plant, you know, the solar energy, solar light, which you got from the school, right? So that solar light, they give you solar panel. That solar panel, you connect it with the lamp, and when that is charged with the help of the sunlight, you can light the lamp, or you can function the lamp. The lamp is function. Why? This is related to the plants. So in plants there is a certain mechanisms or certain things which stores the energy, and that is called chlorophyll, and that process is called the photosynthesis. With the help of carbon dioxide and water, they are so we human beings inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is taken by the plant, and in plants water is necessary so that it can be transferred from the roots to the every parts of the plant. So chlorophyll, remember that chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water, and photosynthesis. So these are the four common things which is responsible for making the plants make their own food. These organisms which can make their own food from carbon dioxide and water are called autotrophs. All green plants are autotroph because they are capable of preparing their own food. Non-green plants are non-autotrophic. Certain bacteria prepare their own food and are called autotrophic bacteria. There are two types of autotrophic nutrition. Okay, so green plants, all the green plants are make their own food, and some bacteria are there which make their own food, and they are called autotrophic bacteria. And there are two types of autotrophic nutrition: photoautotrophic nutrition and chemosynthetic nutrition. So next class we'll discuss about the photoautotrophic nutrition and chemoautotrophic synthetic nutrition. So after listening to the explanation, please write your notes on your book or on your fair copy and maintain your copy well. Okay, and we'll discuss next class about the photoautotrophic and chemosynthetic nutrition. That's all. Thank you.